Hi everyone and thanks for choosing the Automotive Diagnosis YouTube channel. In this video I am gonna show you how to replace the Toyota Corolla trunk lid. It includes replacing the whole trunk lid wiring, rear view camera, release cable, and the trunk lid door lock replacement. Please stay with us until the end of the video and consider subscribing the channel to support us. At first, start by removing the trunk lid trim cover clips to remove the cover. Do it cautiously so you won't break any clips. Disconnect the door latch and light connectors. Remove the door lock release cable as shown here. Then take the cable out of the trunk lid after removing the holding clips. Remove the wiring harness holding clips and pull it out of the trunk lid. Hold the trunk lid from both sides, remove the 4 mounting bolts. Bring the new trunk lid in the correct location and tighten the mounting bolts. Insert the wiring harness in the trunk lid and connect the door latch and light connectors. Insert the release cable and install the cable end on the door latch as shown here. Make sure to install it on the correct place. Test the backlight operation to make sure all connectors are connected properly. Remove the 4 mounting nuts and the trunk lid lock, the push out the center holding clips to remove the trunk hatch handle lid to install the rear view camera bracket. Find the center location, drill the holes for the rear view camera bracket screws, and then install the rear view camera bracket. Position the rear view camera and pass the cable from the license plate light hole. Then install the trunk hatch handle lid, then install the nuts. Install the original trunk lid lock as shown here, and install the 2 holding nuts. Connect the rear view camera plugs and set up the wiring harness clips on the correct locations. Then install the rear view camera on the bracket. Test the rear view camera operation and adjust the view if needed. Check the wiring again to make sure they are located and secured properly. Then install the interior trim cover. I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos.